It is Thursday, and I'm gonna have some fun with my crayons today. I have to work on copying that painting onto that piece of paper, and I got out all my Sennelier oil pastels, and I have my Caran d'Ache crayons. They are so much fun. They totally remind me of my box of Crayola crayons when I was a kid. And so I'm gonna relax and just have some fun today with the crayons. Spring is here. We are happy. Aren't we happy? Good morning. It's Saturday. I survived another week of household chores and art business, and, well, let's just say my list is about 1,000,000 miles long. And I'm sorry that I've missed my opportunity to get the greenhouse roof on top of my cold frame before my apricots and peaches bloom, because I don't know whether you can see. Can you see that? I have blossoms on my peach trees. I mean my my apricot trees. And I've totally missed my window, so I'm bummed. But I'm gonna keep trying to empty my shed. And I originally emptied the contents of that little shed back there onto my porch over there, because I was gonna put my paintings in there. But then I realized I should put them in the house where they'll be safer. So I'm loading this thing up now with things from this shed. And that's my job today. I've got to try to get the shed cleaned out so that I can take the roof off. And then I can put the greenhouse roof on. So, not a very fun day today, but it's the only window, because today's a good warm day. It'll be like 70 degrees, and tomorrow will be 60 something, but then it's going to tank down to 40s and rain, and my apricot blossoms might freeze, so I might have to wait another year for apricots. Anyway, behind me you can see a whole table and an upper shelf full of stuff that I have to move, and even this stuff over here. But I did move my paintings from the back there. That's pretty much empty space, except for the rack I have to take down. So, away we go before the day departs.